Hello everyone, this is Riley Williams from the University of Idaho. Today I'm going to be discussing the different graphic design principles that I implemented in crafting my infographic. The first and most obvious choice for me was deciding what color scheme to use. Reading over the different color scheme ideas, I like the concept of using nature to create color harmony. Color harmony is the use of different colors to create a balanced yet melodic landscape for the reader. I started with green and was hoping to match it with its complementary color purple, although this was a failure as I could not figure out my shading to create a complementary effect. To me, this was disappointing since I already had a plan of how I was going to set up my infographic. So I thought about my original concept, which was to follow nature. Then I realized that green is not the dominant color in the fall, unlike spring and summer. Looking around, I saw simple yet brilliant colors. All the reds and yellows of the changing leaves, plus the undershades of brown and black that have been hidden under the green foliage for the past few months. Due to the fact that my first attempt at picking a color scheme ended with a hasty forced close of the document, I decided to stick with a pre-made scheme. This turned out to be an easy task, compared to mixing and matching shades on my own. The next feature of design concepts I was focused on was the overall layout of my graphic materials. Here I plan to use the Gestalt principle of alignment. I aligned my text and charts vertically within the colored boxes, then aligned each piece of the infographic to the center of the already aligned elements. This helps to give the reader a sense of flow, or where to start and how to read the infographic. I also wanted to use the Swiss grid system to space out my graphics. This was implemented by vertically splitting the image into 4 quarters. The top quarter of each image would be text, the bottom quarter of each half would be a graph or a chart. This was my favorite step of the whole process as I felt it neatly combined all the different design principles of my infographic. One of the final touches of the project was mixing up my fonts. I wanted to have a clear title that really stands out. Metaphorically speaking, a font and font size that says, "Hey, come look at me. This is what I am about. Now read me." Another touch I added with font settings was italicizing alternating sections. This, combined with the Swiss grid model, really broke down the document into different sections. This presentation demonstrated a small portion of the key distinct elements of graphic design. I hope everyone added to their knowledge of basic graphic design principles. Thank you all for listening and have a great day.